In our game CZM, we want a way to be able to independently control the passage of day and night, what we will call in-game time, from the moment-to-moment ticking of time for the player, which we will call real time. I'm going to go over how I've built a simple system for tracking in-game time and some places where I'm using it. My name is Nikolai, and this is System Breakdown. In many games where time can pass freely, game designers get to choose how long a day can last. Never are you as a player actually going to sit there waiting 24 real hours for something to happen. An in-game day can typically end up being a couple of minutes to tens of minutes depending on the particular title. You also usually get to pass time by sleeping at a bed or a campfire, or maybe some games have a built-in slider or play bar. To model in-game time, we will want to track the current simulated time, as well as have the ability to set and clear timers for knowing when a certain amount of time has passed. We can track simulation time with a simple floating point number, and for timers in Unreal Engine, we will create our own instance of a FTimerManager and provide access to it for various other systems to use it. This simulation time is representative of a key state of the game, so I will bundle all of this on an actor component called FatherTime attached to the game state actor. For easier debugging, I create a widget for viewing the current in-game time. I also create a new debug window specialized for manipulating the speed in-game time passes and view what time it actually is. Now, we're ready to use FatherTime to control the position of the sun in the game. Unreal comes bundled with a Sun Sky plugin that makes it easy to control the position of a directional light for a given time of day provided. I subclass Sun Sky, and on every frame I grab the current in-game time as reported by FatherTime and use that to update the position of the sun, and that's pretty much it. During play, we can see the passage of time and mess around with how long it takes. The player moves around normally and independently from how fast time is flowing for the sun and other systems. I also hooked up the hunger and thirst stats to FatherTime, and we can see them depleting as time marches on. Because of how I coded it, there's this neat side effect that rewinding time causes hunger and thirst to restore instead of deplete. Taking inspiration from other games, I created the ability to sleep at a bed and control how many hours you sleep through this fairly simple widget. If you thought any of this was interesting, please like, subscribe, or leave a comment. Thank you for watching.